Okay, so I figured I'd give you guys just a quick little tutorial how to use all those educational sites that I send you the username and passwords to. So first, let me show you Reading A to Z, because I know a couple of the parents, you guys have reached out to me because it's a little confusing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you how I log on through my computer and give you just some suggestions that you guys could do with the kids at home. So just go to Google, type in the toolbar, reading A to Z, enter, click on this one. Where is it? So member login, and my username is MMURNANE4, and then my password is AQUID582. Log on. This is actually a really good website because when I do Reading A to Z lessons with the kids, I will print out the books for them, put them together, and so they have a physical copy on the table with them. And then I'm also having it on the smart board as well, so they're getting all that visual stimuli and stuff. Let me go to resources. So this is how you can access all the books, and just go to all leveled books. So it goes through A to Z. I would stick with levels AA to maybe C. If it's just for reading purposes, if you want to read to the kids, I mean, you could read up to any level you want. But if you want to focus on educational skills and fluency and sight word comprehension and things like that, I would just stick to these three. Let me just click on, let's go to A.